Today I'm fixing to install that fancy hay bale lifting system inside my barn, so stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. Today I'm going into the barn and I'm going to do a real quick project. I've got to go install that rail system and the block and tackle for my hay bale lift system in the barn, so let's do this. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and tap some holes into this rail. At the hardware store I picked out some of these real special bolts, got the right length that I wanted, and I got the right bit that I needed to go in the special head. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this to that custom milled beam that I had Steve Davis off-grid Pacific Northwest off-grid Homestead milled for me on his little sawmill. So we're going to go ahead and install this, but first of all I need to tap some holes into this. I've got 6 of these screws and I'm going to be spacing them out equally along here. So let's get that done. I have this drill bit set here, if I can open it. There you go. There's some drill bits that I'm going to choose from the right size to be able to do those holes. I think I'll do this size right here. This is a 5/16 drill bit. Yeah, I'm going to tap my holes every 30 inches along this 8-foot long rail, and that way my screws will be able to evenly distribute the weight across the whole entire beam. Screws in one at a time, and then center this beast, put the first screw in, and then go ahead and put my other screws in until it's all in place. A dry bale of hay doesn't weigh all that much, and I only plan to buy small bales if I can get them, because I still have to get them from the truck up to the barn, and I hope to have another plan in place to get the bales or get the truck right up to the barn. I have to do a lot of planning to get that happen, and it's going to take some time. Probably won't be for the next couple of years, but anyway, now that I got all my screws in, I'm going to go ahead and install the trolley. Now I purchased this trolley kit, and it comes with 2 trolleys, so I have an extra backup. I will not need the other one, but one I will need, and if you look, that's what it looks like on the end. And it's going to hang from the track. Now I need to insert an eye bolt, and voila, it's done. The eye bolt's in, and I had to purchase an eye bolt that was big enough to handle this. Now there's the nut, and it's going to hold that in place, but my concern is it coming loose. So I got to somehow get that fastened in there so it won't come out. But on this eye bolt, that is where the block and tackle system will hang from. So let's get this installed. Now I just got to put a stop stop in here so the trolley won't slide out, and I actually have 2 stops. Here's my 2 stops to go on each side of those rails, so I'm just going to tap them in with a hammer, and then I can drill a hole on each side and run a pin through there to keep it from going anywhere. So let's get those tapped into place. Okay, it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, we got the rack and the trolley mounted. Now let's mount the block and tackle. I did purchase this block and tackle through northerntool.com. I get a magazine from them, or a catalog. And I'm not too impressed with the rope that they gave me. The quality of rope is plastic, and I think I want nylon, but we'll see how it goes. But look at that. Look at how big this sucker is. Well, let's get it installed and see what it looks like. Well, that went on easy. Let's put our grappler on now. Oh. I hope this works. It's the only thing I can find that that I could use to lift a hay bale. We'll see how it works. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'll just fabricate something that will work. But this is a tool that they use in logging, and you can use it on your homestead, hook it to a chain behind your ATV, and you can grab onto a log and pull it out of the woods to your wood pile and saw it up at your wood pile. But that's all this is. And I ordered this from the same place I ordered this on, oh, well, it fit. Oh, yeah, it may. Northerntool.com. You know, it might not work in that hook. I might have to get a ring, a big ring to hook in there. But anyway, that's the concept. Hook that onto a bale of hay and lift it up. Well, now this install is done, and that's how it works. That's what my design was for. So, yeah, this is great. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen, here in the barn, and my new hay bale lift system. I want to thank you guys for joining me, and please subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here. And join me on more videos. You can do that by following me on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit, Google+, and Blogger. And we'll see you guys again in more videos. Bye-bye.